So, hello guys and good evening. Just wanted to share with you that if you are in class this morning, then this will be a piece of cake for you to do. So let's look at what I have here. I'm just going to dispose this and get my live server running. Okay. So this is on my desktop screen. It's just looking beautiful. Then this is on my mobile screen, and let's guess what kind of phone would you want us to run this on. So this is Samsung Galaxy S20. You can see how it's looking beautiful. Look at where the submit button is. I'm actually putting accessibility first, and let's look at Xiaomi 11i, and that's just it. And you can see what we have, and Huawei P30 Pro, you can see. And let's look at Google Pixels. You can see how it looks like on Google Pixel. And let's look at OnePlus Nord 412 by 915 pixels. And let's see what it looks like. It's looking good. Let's see Galaxy Z Flip, and let's see what it looks like. Oh great, it's looking beautiful on Z Flip. As you can see, this is the flip, so we can even close. And let's look at Oppo Find X3 Pro. It's looking beautiful here. Let's go to the iPhone, guys. Let's look at iPhone X. Oops, looking beautiful on iPhone X. And look at iPhone XR 2018. Oh great, it's looking beautiful on that also. And look at iPhone 12 iOS 14. Oh fantastic. So these are the various iterations that you have, and I just wanted to show you this so that you can see how beautiful these things are while you're coding. And eventually, if we go back to this, you can see what we are having. So do not give up, guys. There is more to learn and there is more to achieve in this industry. Bye bye.